Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we have everyday chili, and it's real easy to do. We're going to have a crock pot set on about medium or low if you want to go longer. And to that, we're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef, along with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of cumin. I also added a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, or if you like it a little thicker, tomato puree, a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I added a cup of beef broth, or if you don't want to use beef broth, you could certainly use water, but I think beef broth adds a much better flavor. Then I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of chili beans in the sauce, and a 15-ounce can of kidney beans that we drained in a colander, and then a 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies that I also drained in a colander. Okay, now we're going to be adding some salt and pepper. If you wish, while you're cooking the meat, you could certainly add a diced onion. I just decided for this recipe to leave it off, but I know I'm going to get in the comments, where the hell are the onions? And then we're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. There's 1, and then we'll have the 2. And then, just want to mix this around, and then I let this go on medium for about an hour, and then I clicked it down to low, and then I cooked it for another, I believe, 4 hours. If you want to go even slower, like have this an all-day thing, just start it on low, put the top on. It'll be ready for you when you get home. All right, we're just about ready to serve. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, our chili is done. And last thing to do, just grab a ladle, grab a bowl, and let's serve it up. And as you can see here, I got it in the bowl. Last thing I'm going to do, put a generous amount of cheese on it, let the heat melt the cheese a little bit, and I basically use this as a chip dip. But that's just me. But that is everyday chili. Done.